All right, here's a quick video going over some of the features and the functionality of all the features. I tested all the heated seats all the way around and they all work appropriately. All the windows also go up and down. Let's do the driver's side. Go up here, pull this back. So that all works. For the mirrors, all the mirrors go up and down, left and right. All the little compartments and storage bits open up. Then the lock feature works very well. The seats do go back and forth. Now we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate radio. Turn it on, antenna, I just heard it go up. There we go. And here we have owner's manual. All the owner's manuals and everything are in there. And here you have a pen and a little compartment there. I believe that's for a cup holder. Closes up. Next would be steering wheel tilt. Goes in and out as well. Works really well. On our way to the rear of the car. These little overhead lights or mirrors here work perfectly. You can adjust them to what angle you need. The headrest popping back. And we step out. They lock into place.